So the Pixel 7 is $499 from Google's website. However, we just bought it for $399 off of Amazon, except for it's a used phone. How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video, we're going to be unboxing a used Pixel 7. It was the base model in black, and we bought it off of Amazon. But before we get into it, if you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed, subscribe so you don't miss another video, and let's get into the unboxing. I've never bought a used phone off of Amazon before. I bought them used off of Facebook Marketplace. I bought them used off eBay, but I've never bought them used off of Amazon, which is kind of weird because you don't get to see pictures of the phone, so I don't know exactly what I'm going to get. We paid $399.20 before tax for the phone. It was sold and shipped by Amazon.com and listed in condition used good. We're saving about $100 off of the new price, but will it be worth it? That's what we're going to find out. It was extremely convenient not having to meet up with anybody on Facebook, and there's some built-in insurance. If there's a problem with the phone, I could mail it back to Amazon. And if you meet up with somebody on Facebook Marketplace, you really could get screwed if you don't know what you're doing. So let's see what we got. All right, this is a good sign. We have received a box. So the phone did come in a box. It's even got some seals on the box and a nice Amazon sticker that says, "Thanks to you, this product has a second life. We appreciate it." So as you can see right here, there are some clear circular seals, but you can see that these horizontal seals were probably the factory seals from Google, and those have been broken. But the box still looks to be in pretty good shape. Now we just got to see what we get. All right, so here it does indeed look like a Pixel 7 from the back, and our accessory pack looks beautiful. The screen itself looks absolutely immaculate. Only a couple pieces of dust, no scratches. You can really tell a lot about the phone by looking at the corners to see if the previous owner dropped it at all. And I see all these corners look absolutely mint. We did have this little screen protector. It looks like the accessory pack hasn't even been opened. We have a USB cable, a USB Legacy to USB-C converter, and we have the little bit of Google paperwork. Now we're going to boot it on and see if it works. Why wouldn't it work? Of course it's going to work. All right, there we go. Boots on like a gem. Now I am curious about the warranty because when you buy a new product, you get a certain warranty on it, but you can't see the warranty on this until we get to the main screen. So we're going to get the phone set to the main screen. And then if you go to settings, and if you type in warranty, maybe? Yeah, limited warranty. So the warranty does come up on the Google Pixel 7. And let's see. All right, so it doesn't tell me anything about the warranty for my specific product. It just says that if it's refurbished, Google warrants a refurbished Google product. I'd have to show them proof of my Amazon purchase. So I don't even know if the warranty carries over to this phone or not. That might be the downside. So saved $100. The phone looks beautiful. Condition better than expected, but I did buy it from Amazon, not from a third-party seller on Amazon. So you have to be aware of that. The used prices kind of fluctuate. One was listed earlier. It sold out. This one popped up 2 days ago, so I had to pop on it because I didn't want it to sell. But would you guys buy a used Pixel from Amazon, or would you just go new because of the warranty? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am now going to be upgrading from my Pixel 6 to my Pixel 7 because I am a fan of the Pixel lineup. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe so you don't miss another video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.